Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard for the BTNHD, and yes, global email deletion within Office 365. So the first thing that we need to do is within Office 365 security and compliance, we need to create a content search. For my example, I had a email within my 9-to-5 job. The subject was titled as check hashtag this particular number in mail. That was the email. That was the spam email. It was basically a link that wanted you to download a file. You needed to log into Office 365 to retrieve the attachment. It was just weird, right? So I did a massive search on everyone's inbox and I found it. Now the trick is you need to do a little bit of PowerShell to delete it, okay? So there's about 3 commands. The first command that you need to do is Get-ComplianceSearchAction. This command, what it does, it gives you a list of all the search content that you've done so far within your infrastructure. And the next command that we need to do is New-ComplianceSearchAction with a parameter of search name and the name of the content search that you gave when you did your search. Then you're going to run a parameter of purge, another parameter of purge type, and you're going to do a soft delete and you hit enter. Once you hit enter, you're going to get a nice little status that it is running, right? Or it started. And if you want to check on it, you need to run the following command of Get-ComplianceSearchAction with a parameter of identity and the name of your content search. And once you hit enter, boom, you should see that the status is completed and just verified that that particular email was deleted in everyone's inbox. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button. Also, do not forget about punch, elbow, and smashing that subscribe button to get the latest and greatest from this guy. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.